In the vast expanse of space, a tantalizing discovery has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Proxima B, an exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, has emerged as a prime candidate for harboring life beyond our solar system. Located a mere 4.24 light-years from Earth, Proxima B resides within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures could potentially support liquid water on its surface. The discovery of Proxima B has ignited intense interest in the scientific community. Its proximity to Earth makes it a tantalizing target for future observations and, perhaps one day, even interstellar travel. Scientists are eager to learn more about this intriguing world and the possibility that it may harbor life. The search for life beyond Earth has captivated humanity for centuries, and Proxima B represents a significant milestone in this quest. Its discovery has fueled speculation about the possibility of other intelligent civilizations existing in the universe. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Proxima B, we move closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? For decades, reports of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, have captivated the public imagination. While many of these sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes, some remain unexplained. Recently, a surge in UFO sightings over New Jersey has sparked renewed interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial visitors. Eyewitness accounts describe a variety of unusual aerial phenomena, from strange lights in the sky to objects maneuvering in ways that defy conventional explanations. Some reports even claim to have captured images or videos of these enigmatic objects, though the quality of the evidence often leaves much to be desired. While skepticism is warranted when it comes to extraordinary claims, the sheer volume and consistency of some of these reports cannot be easily dismissed. The possibility that some of these sightings could represent genuine, unidentified aerial phenomena, whether of terrestrial or extraterrestrial origin, remains a tantalizing prospect. The recent discovery of Proxima B, a potentially habitable exoplanet located a mere 4.24 light-years from Earth, has led some to speculate about a possible connection between this celestial neighbor and the recent surge in UFO sightings over New Jersey. Could these unexplained aerial phenomena be evidence of an advanced civilization from Proxima B visiting our planet? While the idea of interstellar travel may seem like the stuff of science fiction, the vast distances involved present a formidable challenge. Even at the speed of light, a journey from Proxima B to Earth would take over 4 years. This suggests that any civilization capable of making such a trip would possess technology far beyond our current understanding. Despite the challenges, the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin for some UFO sightings cannot be entirely ruled out. If an advanced civilization on Proxima B did develop the technology for interstellar travel, they may have chosen to visit our solar system for a variety of reasons such as scientific curiosity, resource acquisition, or even diplomatic contact. Whispers from space, radio signals, and the unknown. For decades, scientists have been listening to the cosmos, searching for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. Radio telescopes around the world scan the heavens, hoping to detect artificial radio signals that could indicate the presence of another technologically advanced civilization. While most of the signals we receive from space are of natural origin, there have been a few intriguing anomalies that have defied easy explanation. One such anomaly is the WOW signal, a strong narrowband radio signal detected in 1977 by the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio. The signal lasted for 72 seconds and exhibited characteristics consistent with an artificial origin, but despite numerous attempts, it has never been detected again. While the WOW signal remains an enigma, its discovery fueled hopes that we may not be alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues, with scientists developing new technologies and strategies to listen for the faint whispers of distant civilizations. Imagining the technology of an interstellar traveler. The vast distances between stars pose a significant challenge to interstellar travel. Even at the speed of light, a journey to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, would take over 4 years. For a civilization to traverse such distances, they would require technology far beyond our current capabilities. One hypothetical technology often invoked in discussions of interstellar travel is warp drive, a concept popularized by science fiction. Warp drive would allow a spacecraft to distort space-time, effectively creating a shortcut between 2 points in space and allowing for faster-than-light travel. Another possibility is the use of generation ships, massive spacecraft designed to carry a self-sustaining population of humans or other organisms on a multi-generational journey to another star system. Such a journey would require advanced life support systems, artificial gravity, and a robust social structure to ensure the survival of the crew over such an extended period. A universe of possibilities. The possibility of life beyond Earth, and even intelligent life, has profound implications for humanity. It challenges our place in the cosmos, forcing us to confront the possibility that we are not alone in the universe. The discovery of a technologically advanced civilization on Proxima B, or any other planet, would have a transformative impact on our understanding of our place in the universe. Contact with an extraterrestrial civilization could bring about unprecedented scientific and technological advancements. It could also lead to new forms of cultural exchange and cooperation, fostering a greater understanding and appreciation for the diversity of life in the universe. However, it is also important to consider the potential risks associated with contact with an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. History is replete with examples of encounters between cultures with vastly different levels of technology, often with disastrous consequences for the less advanced culture. The search for knowledge continues. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our innate curiosity and our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. While the recent surge in UFO sightings over New Jersey may not provide definitive proof of extraterrestrial visitation, it serves as a reminder of the vastness of the unknown and the possibility that we may not be alone. As technology advances, we can expect to gain a clearer understanding of Proxima B and other exoplanets, searching for biosignatures and technosignatures that could indicate the presence of life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence will continue, with scientists developing new methods to listen for the faint whispers of distant civilizations. The journey to unravel the mysteries of the universe is an ongoing one, filled with challenges and rewards. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must approach the unknown with a sense of wonder, curiosity, and a healthy dose of skepticism. The universe is full of surprises, and the discovery of life beyond Earth would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history.